Hey guys, it's Bree and Mike, and we're here at the new home, new pool. Well, they're adding some stuff right now. So from now on, all these videos are from the new home. Enjoy and check out this pool. Well, it's closed, so further notice because they're adding a few more things, but it's pretty much done. Just needs like patio furniture. They did install this waterfall thing I can see over there. You can. Right there, yep. And then they're adding some other things, but it should be done within the next few days, so we'll show you that update. Check out all these recaps and highlights from summer of last year of August when we started checking out this apartment and everything being built. So enjoy and our adventures along the way. Still super nice outside because Florida weather. We're lucky. And I want to go to the pool, just sit there. So check this out. Oh, perfect. Doesn't even work. So this is another reason why we're moving. Just most of the things around here or amenities just don't work. So Mike's looking for a new place. So we're just checking out this place. Look at all this construction work they're doing. Also, this is facing the Epcot fireworks. So we can't really take a closer look, but let's go check out the amenities at this apartment building. Let's go. Check this out. It honestly feels like you're at a resort. And there's a bar here. You can check that out. We'll be filming here soon, maybe. Keep on the lookout for that. The pool is massive. They have chairs in the water so you can tan without being overheated. It is amazing, truly. It's so pretty. It's literally a resort. We were here early in the morning. Look at that behind us. Mike is showing me the lazy river, and it is amazing. I'm so happy for you guys to be moving here, and I'll be here visiting. Hey guys, I don't know if you noticed yet, but we're at sauce. Look at the toast. Guys, we're at the First Watch. It's brand new and it's also near a new complex. And we got the fall menu. There is cinnamon spice churros, $1 million bacon. Well, actually they had these items, but pumpkin pancake breakfast, which sounds so yummy, and the new honey caramel crunch. So I got the kale tonic. Has kale, cucumbers, and lemon. And then Mike got fresh orange juice, fresh squeezed orange juice. This is a chicken pesto quinoa bowl, and then Mike has the avocado toast with sunny side eggs. It's so early. Wow. Too good. I used to eat this every day. But Mike killed his meal. Trust me, I love mine, but right now I just can't eat. It's so early in the day. I try. It's the chicken festival to go now. There we are. Don't skip a beat and okay, yeah. We're just scouting Mike's new apartment building, which is right there. They're still doing construction. We just had breakfast at First Watch, and now we're headed to Petco. But this is it. That up there. Just nothing but an empty box so far, but he'll be there soon. Keep a lookout for that. If we're gonna move, we need to find new stuff for the kitties, so come along to Petco. The white one looks like a bunny. Stop, I might pull the trigger. Stop, this is so cute. That is so cute, actually. Yeah, that's really cool. So we're looking at scratch posts for the balcony, and look at these. I like the mushroom. It's so cute. Sounds cute too. Maybe they want treats. I'm surprised they don't have much toys. Check it out, guys. That's gonna be the pool. I don't know if you guys can see that. You guys can, but that right there will be the mini pool, and then obviously you saw the bigger pool and the lazy river. I just got back from the gym, and Mike's telling me there's a surprise for me, and that I can't go in, and I have to close my eyes now. So I just don't know what's happening. So I'm gonna go ahead and close my eyes and see what we're gonna find out, what Mike got us. So here goes something. Tell me when to open. Oh my God. He knows me so well because I love ET. Thank you. I love ET. Oh, you actually, I didn't know you got it. You showed me a picture, but I didn't know you got it. Oh my God. Oh, it glows? Hey guys. So, you know Mike's place is still getting built. So we're here at Ikea today. Different day. And we're gonna see what we can find for Mike's new place because it's coming up real soon. Although we always come to Ikea, we never had breakfast here and we're never up this early. So we have breakfast now, so I'm gonna go ahead and try out. I got pancakes, Swedish pancakes and eggs. And then Mike got the medium breakfast with potatoes, eggs, pancakes, and bacon. Delicious. All right. Yep, only $14 for everything. 3 drinks and all this food. I actually like it. It's like soft, like a bit squishy. I feel like it's made of tapioca. It's tapioca. I think boba's made out of. It kind of tastes like that. It's really good. Like a crust. But think of it as more heavier. It was really yummy. I usually don't eat scrambled eggs, so we're gonna see how this goes and how good it is. It's good. Tastes like eggs. Update. Sorry guys, I look crazy. Mike just got me the cutest little Grinch for the holidays. Look, it's so cute. Well, our holidays are a little bit ruined just because they pushed back our moving date. So it's January. So happy holidays to us. But we'll guys keep you updated for any latest news. Merry Christmas. Well, happy Thanksgiving. Wait, I look crazy. Hey guys, oh my God, we just stopped here to check the progress on the apartment. It is stunning. It is so stunning. Like, look at the patio. That modern fan and just like open windows. It's just so beautiful and so spacious, the patio. I am so happy for Mike and I can't wait to show you guys how it looks inside because it's so crazy. It's like, it's so nice. Oh my God. I was telling Mike, we were driving by, I'm like, oh my God. There is so much progress done and we're just gonna get a little bit closer to show you guys. So let's go. This is the update in the pool. It's not much, but it's more progress than before. There's a bit of water, but just give it a couple of weeks or a month. It's gonna be way nicer than this. And thank God we live in Florida. Like in a month it's gonna be December, but it will stay like this really nice weather. Right now it's like kind of hot. I bet you by the time we move in January it's gonna be hot. Like the first week, second week, you'll see us in the pool then. But it is beautiful. I think this over here might be a bathroom or something, but it is going great. And just check it out. It's just so nice. And look at these windows. There is more lighting going into the living room and stuff. That is so smart. Usually apartments just have 1 or 2 of like those windows, but they have more on the top. That is so nice. I love natural lighting. It is going great and I'm so excited to show you more progress and us moving in very soon. So these right here are floor plans that don't have balconies. Lucky for Mike, he got that spacious balcony over there. Something similar to this, but check out that fan at the top. Ooh, isn't it nice? It is amazing and I'm so happy and it's so beautiful. I can't wait. We're so close to Disney. There's like a tourist aisle at Publix. So it's huge. It's massive. Also, we're doing groceries. But look at all this Disney stuff. And then here they have like, wow, it's so crazy. Look at these. Like, very cute. Do not click out. It is the same videos. This is just December in Florida. We have gray skies and a little windy. It's drizzling just a bit. We're just updating you on Mike's new apartment, and he needs one more month till move in. So we got all the way from August. Now we're in December and we need one more month. Can't wait for the next one. Keep you guys updated. We wanted to show you the pool update, but there's people working right now and there's like smoke, and there's also a fire truck behind me because there was a fire. So that's a little later. We'll promise we'll show you that. And also next month is right around the corner. Happy New Year's. A bunch of new little plants. Well, not little, variety. They're so cute. They're gonna plant them in. And then that tiny tractor right over there. It doesn't look like much, but trust me, within the next month, everything should be all said and done. And we're gonna lock that door and we're gonna show you apartment tour inside. So excited. The skies are so gray. Doesn't give it justice, but it looks great. Hey guys, it's 4 days till Christmas. We're here Christmas shopping. We're at Target, and right behind us there's also GameStop, Mike's favorite store. It's not too crazy, I think. Well, the parking lot is full, but 4 more days till Christmas, so we're doing some Christmas shopping. And also we're gonna get some things because very, very soon, like in about 3 weeks, move-in day. So don't forget. Look at these cracked peppercorn crusted beef sirloin just for Christmas. Wait, is it just pepper? Or you're gonna, oh, it's already seasoned. Yeah, and with seasoning. Easy peasy. Christmas dinner, a big coffee. That's fine. You want one? This one has like 2. I'm just gonna get this one. And yeah, this one's fine. I'm getting us some hummus. Okay, so now we're getting bedding for the new place. This one looks very comfortable, honestly, and it's cooling, and only 15 bucks, not bad. Let's see. I say we go with the first one. Oh look, this one's 10 bucks. Full touch. King. You want a king? So yeah, this is good too. I used to buy these. They would last. Ohio. Memory foam. Mike, you like that? Memory foam? Yeah. This one's the ones I used to buy. After 3 million years, we finally found standing pillows. Blankets? Do you need any blankets? Looks like Mike's pool is all finished up. Check it out. So cool, and I can't wait to see it in person soon. Cringe. Where's the button? Okay. Yeah. I don't want you to get, what's it called? Demonetized. Taking a break from moving and trying some tacos. Very healthy. Those ones so yummy. We had it before, but it's so good. Nope. This is still the same video, just different day. They took out the fences. They're making it brand new. It's almost ready, actually. In 2 more weeks, it should be done. But the pool's already done. We're going to give you an update. We're going to check it out now. Mike and Big Poppy are actually going to go inside the apartment and give you a little tour. Because they're still doing work inside, so it's a little dangerous, so they got to wear helmets. But we're going to go ahead and check out the pool. Let's go. And we're here. Look at the pool. Can you believe that? And then all those times we visited, brand new. They fixed this so quick. Pool's there, the water's there, trees and everything. It's so crazy how quickly they made this. Although it's cold outside, but we can't wait to enjoy it on a nice hot day.